Hello students, I am back again to provide you online classes to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for the latest classes. Thank you. So today's class is for class 1 and it's from Inflation book at page 81 and it's about the exercises of the previous lesson, the 3 bears and Goldilocks and 3 bears. Okay, so open your page at 81 and get ready to take down the answers. Okay, so first A1, the exercise A1, answer these questions. Okay, first number, what did Mama Bear cook for breakfast? What did Mama Bear cook for breakfast? I have already written the answers on my copy. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. So the question was, what did Mama Bear cook for breakfast? Mama Bear breakfast e ki ranna korchilo? The answer is, all the answers are there. Mama Bear cooked porridge for breakfast. Mama Bear cooked porridge for the breakfast. Okay. Next, number 2. Where did the bear family go for a short walk? Where did the bear family go for a short walk? You have to write down quickly, okay? The answer is, number 2, the answer is, the bear family went to the woods for a short walk. The bear family went to the woods for a short walk. Okay? Next, number 3. Number 3, who was Goldilocks? Number 3, who was Goldilocks? Can you say that who was Goldilocks? Goldilocks was a naughty girl. Goldilocks was a naughty girl. This is the answer. Goldilocks was a naughty girl. Number 4, why did Goldilocks sit in baby bear's chair? Why did Goldilocks sit in baby bear's chair? Keno Goldilocks baby bear chair e boshe chilo? Okay, so the answer is, because it was all right for her. Because it was all right for her, or it was more comfortable for her. So you can write this answer. Number 5. Did Goldilocks eat Papa Bear's porridge? Did Goldilocks eat Papa Bear's porridge and why? Keno Goldilocks ki Papa Bear porridge খেয়েছিল এবং কেন খেয়েছিল বা কেন খায়নি আমাকে বলতে হবে। So the answer is 5 number. No, Goldilocks did not eat Papa Bear's porridge because it was too hot to eat. It was too hot to eat. Okay. Number 6, the question, what did the bears notice when they came back home? যখন তারা ফিরলো তারা কি নোটিস করলো? 6 number, the bears noticed that someone had tested their porridge. Someone had tested their porridge. Okay. Now number 7, last question. Do you think Goldilocks was a naughty girl and why? 7, answer. Yes, of course, she was naughty. She entered the house quietly, tasted the porridge, slept in baby bear's bed, and fled out as fast as she could. Okay. So these are the characteristics of her naughtiness. So these are the questions. These are the answers of the questions. You can pause the video and can write down. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. And the next exercise is A2. Choose the correct answer. Goldilocks did not eat Mama Bear's porridge because Goldilocks did not eat Mama Bear's porridge. Mama Bear porridge খায়নি কারণ it was very cold. It was very cold. Goldilocks ran as fast as she could because. The answer is number A. She was scared of the 3 bears. সে ভয় পেয়ে গিয়েছিল তিনটে বিয়ারকে দেখে, তাই সে দৌড়ে পালিয়েছিল। Okay. Now, exercise B1. Circle the odd word in each set. Circle the odd word. So now, B1 exercise. Circle the odd word in each set. Number 1. Porridge, bread, milk, cake. Here milk is odd. বাদ বাকিগুলো আমরা রান্না করে খাই। 2 number. Bed, chair, table, sofa. এখানে odd হচ্ছে bed. অড অর্থাৎ সবকিছু থেকে বাদবাকিগুলো থেকে আলাদা ভিন্ন। নাম্বার 3 বেডরুম, কিচেন, ফিল্ড, ক্লাসরুম। এখানে অড হচ্ছে ফিল্ড। নাম্বার 4 ফর্ক, বাউল, স্পুন, ল্যাডল। বাউল ছাড়া সবকিছু দিয়ে আমরা সার্ভ করি, তাই বাউল হচ্ছে অড। আনস্ক্রাম্বল দ্য লেটার্স টু ফাইন্ড ওয়ার্ডস ফ্রম দ্য স্টোরি। এই লেটারগুলোকে সাজিয়ে একটি নতুন সঠিক একটি শব্দ তৈরি করতে হবে। So first one is house, HOUSE, house. Second is curly, CURLY, curly. Third number is short, SHORT, short. Fourth number is front, FRONT, front. 5 number is right, RIGHT, right. 6 number found, FOUND, found. Okay, you can pause the video and can write down. Next, D1. Match the describing words to the characters from the story. Naughty is related to Goldilocks. Huge, Papa Bear. Wee, Baby Bear. Medium-sized, Mama Bear. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 84. There is an exercise, and the last exercise, D2. Match the questions with the answers. Where is the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal কোথায়? তো এটা D number হবে. It is in Agra. It is in Agra. Number 2. Who came to visit you yesterday? My uncle came to visit us yesterday. So this question is related to that answer. Number 3. What are you making? What are you making? I am making a paper plane. Okay. Carefully watch the matching. 4. When is the next art class? When is the next art class? It is on Thursday. So this question is related to that answer. 5 number. Why are you late today? Why are you late today? তুমি আজ late কেন? Oh, I missed my school bus. So this question is related to that answer. Okay. Hope you understand the exercises, and যেগুলো ভিডিওতে করা হচ্ছে তোমরা সেগুলো হোমওয়ার্ক করে স্কুলে নিয়ে যাবে। ওকে, যেগুলো ভিডিওতে এক্সারসাইজ করা হচ্ছে, only do that homeworks. Okay. So this is all for today. Okay. So watch the video carefully and write down it on your copy.